Hi, I'm Aisha. Nice to meet you.
Hi Aisha, I'm Ryan. Nice to meet you too.
Are you new here? I haven't seen you around before.
Yes, I just moved to the city last week.
Really? Where are you from?
I'm from China, from a city called Hangzhou.
Oh, I've heard it's beautiful. How do you like it here so far?
It is pretty nice. People are friendly and the food is great.
I'm glad to hear that. What do you do for work?
I'm a software developer. I work mostly on mobile apps. What about you?
I'm an English teacher at a language center. I enjoy helping students learn.
That's cool. How long have you been teaching?
About 3 years now. I started after I finished university.
Wow, that sounds interesting. Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. It can be challenging, but it's rewarding.
Do you have a big family?
Not really. I have two younger sisters. What about you?
I have one older brother. He lives back in China.
Do you miss your family?
Yes, sometimes. But we video call a lot.
That's good. Technology really helps us stay connected.
True. What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading, cooking, and sometimes painting.
Nice. What kind of books do you read?
Mostly novels or short stories. I like realistic fiction.
Interesting. I prefer non-fiction. I like learning new things.
Have you explored the city yet?
A little. I visited the main market and a small park nearby.
Oh, that park is beautiful in the evening. The lights look amazing.
I should go again then. Maybe I'll take some pictures.
Do you enjoy photography?
Yes, it's one of my hobbies. I like capturing small details.
That's cool. I love seeing photos that tell a story.
Exactly. That's what I try to do.
How do you find the weather here compared to Hangzhou?
It's warmer here. Hangzhou has more rain, especially in summer.
I see. Here, summers are hot, but winters are mild.
Good to know. I'm still adjusting.
You'll get used to it.
I think so. Thanks for the friendly conversation, Aisha.